What's the meaning of AOL? AOL. 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 AOL.
AOL stands for America Online, a former Internet service provider and web portal. Founded in 1983, AOL offered email, instant messaging, and access to various online services and content. At its peak in the early 2000s, it was one of the largest Internet companies in the world with over 30 million subscribers. However, AOL gradually declined in popularity as broadband Internet became more widely available and the company struggled to keep up with newer and more innovative competitors. Today, AOL operates primarily as a media company focusing on digital advertising and publishing.